Hi everyone, Eugene here at Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn your LUMIX L10 into a webcam that you can connect to your laptop. So we're going to need a few things here to get this started. Of course, we have our laptop here, we have our USB-C cable, okay, something to keep in mind, and all we need to do is plug in the USB-C cable into the laptop and then into the camera. If you look on the left hand side of the camera, we have a USB-C plug. I'm going to plug that in. And the first thing that comes up on the screen of the camera is the possibility to select the USB mode. And as you imagine, we're going to select PC webcam. We also have USB power supplied, so that's okay. And we have a little bit of an indicator here on the left that the camera is turned on. Something to keep in mind, this will only work if the camera is in video mode, okay? So make sure to switch this shooting mode to video and not photo, okay? Once you do that, we can switch to the laptop and open our camera app. And there's me, hi there. And we're just going to switch to the other camera, and there we are. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.